Ministry of Health of Ukraine. Krok 2. Medicine. Year 2019, number 168. In the process of hiring, a prospective employee has undergone preventive medical examination and was declared fit to work in this manufacturing environment. What type of preventive medical examination was it? A. Periodical. B. Preliminary. C. Specific. D. Comprehensive. E. Scheduled. Pre-employment medical exam is a process whereby an employer requires a potential employee to undergo a medical examination before being offered a job. The main purpose is to ensure that the person is physically and mentally fit for the job they are applying for, to determine if a person is medically fit enough to perform duties if the worker's health might endanger his own health or safety, or that of others, while performing tasks. It varies depending on the job requirements. It could include a basic physical examination, and also include things like a psychological screening and aptitude test to ascertain whether they are suitable for the role. It could include the blood pressure, body mass index, urine analysis, spinal assessment, as well as tests for hearing, vision, heart and lung function, strength, and cardio fitness. The answer is B. Preliminary.